Have you ever typed 1234 in Excel and wondered it could say 1234 instead? You are not alone. Today I'm going to show you how to turn numbers into words in Excel. Not only it will convert just a number, it will convert a decimal number into words, even negative numbers into words. I'll show you how is it done. This is an Excel file. I will convert this into macro enabled workbook. So for that I need to go to File, Save As, Browse. Here I will change Excel macro enable workbook and click on save. Then after that I need to enter the VBA code for converting the numbers into words. For that I will go to developer tab, then Visual Basic. So most of the guys won't be having developer tab in the Excel. So for getting the developer tab, right click somewhere, customize the ribbon and click on the developer here and then click OK. I got the developer tab now. Click on the developer tab, then click on Visual Basic, then go to Insert, then Module. I have the VBA code which is written in a text file. I will copy all the text file. I will copy the VBA code from here, Control C, and I will paste here, Control V. Then I will save it, close this window. So I have some sample numbers here. So after pasting the VBA code, we will get a function in the Excel equal to NumToWords, select the number, close the bracket, done. So it has been converted into word. We'll do the Control D. See, it's 2, it says 300, here 4,567, 55,587, 100, 100,000, 500,000. We can edit this one and try adding 2 more zeros. It says 50 million. Let us try adding 2 more zeros. It says 5 billion. We can try adding 1 more zero. 50 billion. 1 more zero. 500 billion. 1 more zero. 5 trillion. And also it even works for decimal points also. We can try adding decimal points like 0.01. It says 4,567.01. We can try doing the negative numbers also. Let me try adding negative here. It says negative 300.33. Change it to number. So negative 300.33. So that's all. Anyway, I will provide the sample Excel file and the VBA code text file in the description. You can download it. And remember, if Excel can do it, you shouldn't be doing it manually. If you do like this video, please do like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye.